Have you ever wondered how a single virus has changed the course of life as we know it? Let's cast our minds back to when the COVID-19 pandemic first emerged. It all began with news of a novel virus making rounds in a far-off land. Before we knew it, this virus had swept across continents, sparing no corner of the globe. Countries scrambled to respond, and the World Health Organization declared a global health emergency. The rapid spread of the virus was nothing short of alarming. It was like watching a storm surge, unstoppable and devastating. Governments worldwide had to make tough decisions, implementing lockdowns and travel restrictions in a bid to contain the virus. These measures, while necessary, had significant socio-economic impacts. The world as we knew it changed overnight. Offices were deserted as remote work became the norm. Global travel came to a grinding halt, with bustling airports and train stations eerily quiet. The virus didn't just affect physical health, it also took a toll on people's mental well-being. Reports of anxiety, depression, and other mental health issues surged as the world grappled with the new reality. But amidst the turmoil, there was a beacon of hope: the development and rollout of vaccines. It was a testament to human resilience and ingenuity. Scientists around the globe worked tirelessly, achieving in months what typically takes years. The vaccines offered a glimmer of hope in the fight against the virus. Yet, the battle is far from over. While some countries have seen a steady decline in cases thanks to vaccination efforts, others are still dealing with surges. The virus continues to mutate, giving rise to new variants that pose fresh challenges. Despite these hurdles, efforts to contain the virus and vaccinate the global population continue unabated. The pandemic's impact has been far-reaching, touching every aspect of life, but it has also brought us together in unprecedented ways. We've seen communities rally together, individuals stepping up to help those in need, and a global effort to combat the virus. As we grapple with the ongoing challenges, it's important to remember that this pandemic has brought us together in unprecedented ways. Now, as we navigate through the aftermath, what does the future hold post-COVID-19? The world finds itself in a promising position. With the end of the COVID-19 pandemic on the horizon, the weekly reported deaths have reached their lowest since March of 2020, and the global case counts reflect a steady decline. An encouraging 28% drop in weekly cases globally echoes these sentiments, with the United States also witnessing a continuous decrease in cases over the past couple of months. However, recovery does not come without its share of challenges. The United States, followed by Japan, Russia, Brazil, and the Philippines, reported the highest number of weekly deaths. Meanwhile, the global toll stands at over 6.4 million reported deaths. The progress in vaccination efforts offers a glimmer of hope. About two-thirds of the global population and the US population have received their initial COVID-19 vaccine series. Yet there remains a significant disparity in vaccination rates, with lower-income countries trailing behind. As we look toward the future, the experiences of this pandemic serve as a potent reminder of the importance of robust public health policies. The World Health Organization has released 6 policy briefs outlining key actions for governments to take. These briefs emphasize strengthening policies not just for COVID-19, but for future potential pandemics as well. The pandemic's toll extends beyond the physical. A study revealed that the brains of US teens have physically changed during the pandemic, aging faster than normal, and these teens reported more severe symptoms of anxiety, depression, and internalized problems. The importance of mental health interventions is underscored in managing these mental health problems associated with these brain changes. The long-term effects of the pandemic on the younger generation remain a subject of ongoing research. It is unclear whether the observed brain changes will have lasting impacts. Parents and guardians are advised to seek help for their adolescents or teens who may be experiencing symptoms of depression, anxiety, or withdrawal. As we move forward, the lessons learned from this pandemic will shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine.